900 brand new houses. This gated community in the final phase of building are complete, building 900 brand new houses. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe, like, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. I highly appreciate it. It encouraged me to do more videos like this. This is a gated community with approximately 900 houses, and they are on the final legs of the completion of these houses. As you can see, residents is already live inside this gated community, but there are still a couple houses to finish to complete the project. So you can reach out to the relevant authority to find out what amount of house is there to be complete, and if you can get your house and when and what's the procedure. So as you can see, this community was properly organized and the houses are neatly placed. From this view, it's a good look. So this is a secure and great gated community in the Falmouth Trelawney area. That's the North Coast region. See for yourself. House haven't been painted as yet. This is the final leg of this gated community. From my view, it's a good look. As I say, in the description below, I will leave a contact number for you to reach out to the relevant authority to find out if and how you can get information about this unfinished house, which is the final leg of this gated community. As you can see, it's a great view. You can see the ocean and a bird's eye view of this community, which is very unique and different. So that's the Caribbean Sea, the Falmouth Trelawney region. Lots of house, gated community, final leg, ocean view, I could say sea view, bird's eye view, 900 houses in the final state of complete this gated community, which is a good look from this bird's eye view. House neatly placed, properly painted. Yes, so people normally call them, where are these houses? These houses are in the Falmouth, Trelawney region, on the north coast of Jamaica. As you can see, unfinished houses in the final stage of the last leg of this gated community. Don't be left behind. Call and get the relevant information and how you can get to own your dream house inside this gated community. 900 brand new houses, brand new roads, properly paved, security access. It's a gated community. So these are the unfinished house. I don't know what amount, but this is the final stage. As you can see for yourself. One phone call and you get information about these houses. Brand new house development in the Falmouth, Trelawney, Jamaica region, gated community, 900 house. Resident is already occupied most of these houses. Don't be left behind. Check it out. It's a great look. If you think this video was educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more like this. I appreciate it for you to do more video like this. that's all for now, folks. Thank you all for watching. See you guys all in my next video.